Hi guys, welcome to Nick More Vibes YouTube channel once again, and this is Nick from Nairobi, Kenya. Today we are going to be speaking about Windows 11. Yes, you heard me right, Windows 11. Yeah. So Windows 11 was released late this month on 24th June, and Microsoft has released a statement saying that they will continue supporting Windows 10 until October 2025. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 11, how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like our videos. Loading. So after loading, it will take maybe 2 minutes. Then you choose your preferences, country, and click next, then install now. And it will prompt you whether you have a license. If you don't have a license, kindly choose that I don't have a license button. Choose I don't have a license button like this, and choose Windows 11 Pro. That is what we'll be using for this tutorial. Click next, then accept. Next, choose custom install, refresh. You can use any driver. Then next, then it will start loading. Just be patient as it load. Might take a while. So guys, according to my opinion, I think Windows 11 is still on its early stages. I wouldn't recommend you to install Windows 11 on your machine right now, because I've seen it has issues with people who have older machines. I think Windows 11 works for 8th gen all the way to 10th gen. So if you have a machine that is a lower generation, 10, 7, 8, until Windows 11 becomes a bit stable. So for now, this is for this tutorial. For anybody who has an 8th gen machine, a 9th gen machine, a 10th gen machine, you can install. I also did not like the customization. So guys, it will take a while. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Show me your support by liking this video and subscribing. Just be patient. So it's now installing updates. So for guys who will be updating from Windows 10 to 11, that is without following this procedure, in a couple of seconds, minutes, we are going to have configured our Windows 11 and ready for use. So getting device ready. Do not panic if this process keep on repeating. Just be patient. It might start all over again getting ready. And remember to ensure that boot sequence, OS boot sequence is the first, and if OS boot sequence is not the first, kindly just remove your USB drive, because already the OS is on your hard drive. So you can see it's taking a while. This tutorial, by the way, I've installed Windows 11 using a virtual machine. That is because I have an older machine also, and I tried it and it brought an error. So I decided there are too many ways of killing a cat. So the process begins again. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video to show our support. Kindly subscribe. So in just a few moments we'll be having our Windows 11. It's taking a while now to customize and ensure that a number of apps are okay. So now we have our Windows 11 pop-up widget. So choose United States, or you can choose any country that you are from. I always choose United States. Choose a keyboard layout that you want. You can choose UK, US, depending on which keyboard layout you're comfortable with. So it's checking for updates. So after updates, it should ask me about an account, but since I'm not going to sign up using a Microsoft account, because not everyone is fortunate enough to have a Microsoft account, we are going to use an offline account. So I'll show you. So set up for personal use. If you are in an institution and you have a domain, you can choose work. So instead of signing in, I'm just going to use an offline account. Limited experience. So input your name, then password. After installing your password, you can just click next. They are just standard. So now let's see what's new from Windows. So Windows is customizing on your behalf. It will take a couple of minutes. So be patient. If you are new to this channel, again, kindly support me by subscribing and liking this video. So we are already done. In just a few seconds, you should receive a pop-up with a welcome Windows showing you that you're on Windows 11. The customization is a bit different from the previous Windows that we have had. It's more of like an Apple, like the iOS. So in just a few minutes, you should be ready to go. But guys, again, if I was to recommend, I'd say for now use Windows 10, use Windows 7, use Windows 8. those are stable versions. Windows 11, nah. Ensure your PC is on and plugged in. Do not just interrupt it. If you interrupt it, you just have to repeat the process again. So there, and voila, we have our Windows 11. So this is how Windows 11 look like. I don't know what's your opinion, but I feel that this is not what I expected. And the fact that Windows 11 is limiting people who have older machine, I feel it's not a good move. So guys, once again, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Bye.